Hey, what's up? How are you doing? I am doing good, and I'm going to show you something new today. We are going to see how to make tofu nuggets. I've never had chicken nuggets, so I don't know how they are supposed to taste, but let's try to make something good. Eh? Let's see. So I'm taking this Lay's masala chips because they are full of flavor and MSG. Then I'm going to take some Monaco biscuits and some mixed herbs and bash them. Then I'm going to mix some cornflour with water. I made a mistake of making it too thin, but please make sure that you add little water at a time and it doesn't become too thin. Now take these cubes of tofu. I have pressed them overnight to make them dry, take out the moisture. Now then we are going to again moisturize it. Ugh. And then again put it in the crumbs to make them crispy and repeat the process.